Hello everyone, welcome to the pizza oven demonstration live stream. This is Helen from Ovendesign company. In case you are the first time to come into our live stream, let me do a brief introduction of our company. Ovendesign company is a company who design and manufacture pizza oven. Our metal designer work has been in the BBQ industry since 1985. If you want to know more the story of our designer work, you can follow our store and keep inside our store to know more detail. Now let me introduce our product line to you. Recently, we have two series of pizza ovens in the spotlight. One is our FIAMO crate pizza oven. That's this one. We use the classic round-on design, but with the modern technology. So, to make it very lightweight, it's about 80 kilograms. But even this lightweight, the situation of this oven is very well. In our next live stream, we will show you how it functions. Okay, this is our crate pizza oven, and we have another serial pizza oven that is the portable mini ovens. See, this is the gas version, and we also have this the charcoal, our charcoal version. And also we have one that both gas and charcoal together. And also we have different door. See, this is the door like this. The door is attached to the oven body. So if you keep pizza, you can take out, put here. Convenient. Also, we also have the individual door. It's our another version of mini oven. This is the drawer type. So we have different options for your choice. Also for the material, we also have different types. This is the stainless steel, and this the metal with plating. With plating, the color can be black. Now we have three colors for the choice, and the black color, the orange color, and another blue color. Okay, that's our product line. Except for the products we also have many new concepts on drawing. Let me show you. See, this is our new design on drawing. We have many different concepts. If you are interested to join with us and develop these products together, just contact us. Now let's talk about our certification. In fact, our products hold patents in many countries such as USA, Europe, Australia, and China. Also, our products has passed the test of CSA, CE, UKCA, LFGB, and our factory has got the BSCI and ISO. So if you want to know more about our company, just follow our company and click inside to know more about us. Thank you. Okay, now let's start the fire.
Hello! Today we will introduce wood and gas multifunction pizza oven. This is the pellet version pizza oven. If you want to use the gas function, you can change this burner to the back. If you want to use the gas function, you can put the shower and the tray to the back. This is the wood pellet version. Okay, let's make a delicious pizza. We will introduce other types of pizza ovens in the next time. Stay tuned.